sponsors na tutulong sa atin para mas magkaroon tayo ng mas grander or grandest or masasabi natin mas promoter ng culture ng mga Ibaloy. And next, Miss G, because in my hand, we will now proceed sa ating special awards. So our first special award is the Miss Ibaloy Top Model. So may we call on Liwel Tokia, Ira Longsiap, and of course, mga dito si Shiva Rivera.
Yes, we would like to acknowledge Miss Shiva Rivera. These three people po, si Liwel Tokia, Ira Longsiap, and Miss Shiva Rivera were our fashion designers nung nagkaroon ng fashion show ang ating mga candidates. And they sponsored all of their outfits na truly international level naman
Exactly.
talaga. Oo.
Kaya kung guys, kung naghanap kayo ng mga, mga mix, ng mga textile ng mga Cordillera na ginagawa nilang fashion, alright, sila ang hanapin nyo. And of course, pati si Ma'am Jems talaga. So, Miss G, i-confirm mo kung tama yung mga numbers? Mga winning numbers natin. Parang pwede natin itaya sa loto si Gian, ah. And now, for Top Model Award. O sige, huwag kayo mag-away guys.
Alright, so
Tatlong winners
for
natin
the
dyan.
guidance again of everyone, we originally have 9 candidates.
Yes.
Candidate number 2, unfortunately, hindi siya na-discharge. Kaya we were hoping kasi na ma-discharge siya today.
Yeah, correct.
Oo. But
Kahapon lang siya
unfortunately,
tinakbo,
hindi.
actually.
So, our numbering still remains 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? And then, we pinakantehan lang po
Ang number
yung
2.
candidate number 2.
Alright, so balik ka na sa akin, Miss G, at namimiss na kita. Oo. Para isabihin na natin kung sino ang winners ng Top Model Award. So now, sino may choice dito? Si Liwel na. Si Ira Longsiap. Okay. For the first winner, choice naman ito ng ating designer na si Ira Longsiap. Goes to candidate number 3. Choice naman to ni Liwel Tokia. Contestant number
8.
Congratulations, contestant number 8. And now, ang choice naman ni Shiva Rivera, contestant number 7. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen, our winners ng ng Miss Ibaloy Top Model 2022. And now, next, itong pinaka-favorite ko, Miss G, ano? Yung next award is our Miss Photogenic. Kung mapapansin nyo guys, lahat ng mga pictures na nagkalat sa Rose Garden, mga pictures na nakita niyo dito, ay gawa lang naman na isang special friend natin from Miss World Organization.
Yes, that's right. At ito, bigatin na yung photographer mo, bigatin pa kung saan sila na-i-post, di ba? And we also gave special tickets to those who won for posting with the pictures of our candidates doon po sa heart ng Burnham Park, which is the Rose Garden.
And of course, special thank you din po sa nag-approve na mga ganitong plano po natin na display at para mapakita po natin sa buong Cordillera o sa buong Baguio City kung gaano kaganda ang ating Miss Ibaloy contestants. So, calling on stage, Mr. Daryl Visuals to please reveal po kung sino ang ating Miss Photogenic 2023. Alright, so Miss G, silipin mo muna kung tama yung numbering.
Alright, so we will no longer mention who is what number. Mauuna po nating makikita yung picture.
Yes.
So for our Miss Photogenic, it goes to
Rika Faye, congratulations! And of course, sobrang thank you, Daryl Visuals, dahil tumulong ka po dito sa pagkuha ng mga pictures po ng ating Miss Ibaloy 2023 candidates. Congratulations!
Sir Daryl Visuals. the official photographer of the previously concluded Miss World.
And now, Miss G, tuloy-tuloy na natin. And our next special award are Miss Personality. Anong ibig ng Miss Personality, Gia? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ano?
Okay, so for our Miss Personality, ito po yung candidate na nakikita natin na very open siya dun sa mga people, sa mga tao. Because we also instructed our candidates during their parang yung mga gap ng times nila from their school, they should come here.
Yes.
They should be able to, relate with the people and relate with their co-candidates as well.
At syempre, kaganda ng Miss Personality, like pagkausap ko siya, talagang may personality. Pag nag-walk on stage, laging may personality. So now, our Miss Personality goes to contestant number 5. Nakikita niyo yung personality talaga pag naglalakad. Talagang nakikiusap. Alright. Congratulations, contestant number 5. Alright, wait. Okay. Ayan, bibigyan ni Miss Personality.
Huwag kang mag-alala, sa'yo talaga to.
Oo, baka kasi inaagaw mo, Gian, no? Alright,
Ayan,
congratulations.
congratulations.
And next award, our Miss Social Media Queen.
For our next award, that will be before we go to the Social Media Queen. Previously, they also had a press conference.
Yes, and we invited a lot of press media, mga media po, na, magtanong, kilatisin ang ating mga candidates. Kasi, nowadays, very important ang media, kaya alagaan po natin sila.
And of course, we would like to thank Taraki TV, PTV4, RNG, and DZRH News Philippines for featuring the Miss Evadoy 2023.
Yeah,
and
manang
all
anas ng
our other media partners, the Herald Express also are here.
Yeah.
And
Kasi, andun yung tita natin, si Manang Alas, nandun yun. Isa po yung anchor po ng PTV Cordillera. Thank you so much, Manang.
Oo, maraming salamat lahat po ng activities ng On-John in general, from the opening up until the pre-pageant feature po nila.
Yes, salamat ng marami.
Thank you so much, PTV Cordillera.
So now, let's award. The Darling of the Press goes to contestant number
5.
Contestant number 5, congratulations! And next, for the next award is our Miss Congeniality. Darling of the Press. Yes, congratulations, contestant number 6. And now, our Miss Congeniality.
Yes.
Pag sinabing congeniality, paano po ba ito makukuha itong award na to?
Well, for the Miss Congeniality, the candidates amongst themselves voted for who will win this award. So sila po ang bumoto kung sino ang magiging Miss Congeniality.
Parang gusto ko rin yung award na yun, no? Yung congeniality. Kasi I remember may movie na Miss Congeniality, right? Na napanood ng lahat. Pero of course, at the end of the day, kahit kung ikaw ang nabinoto nila, meaning to say that ikaw ay very friendly. So now let's award.
And of course, dito sa kahit saang pageant naman, it's more of the building of the sisterhood, di ba? Na
Exactly.
manalo matalo, it is a competition, but the friendship that you build there will always stay forever.
Yes, and now the winner for Miss Congeniality goes to contestant number 1. And next, for the next award is a Miss Social Media Queen. Ito guys, itong Miss Social Media Queen, ito yung nung nag-post tayo ng mga pictures ng mga candidates. Paramihan ng likes, paramihan ng comments, paramihan ng shares.
Of course, we would like to acknowledge the first runner-up of Miss
Marikit! Ayan. So ito yung kasama naman ni Gabriel. Alright, welcome. Nice to see you here.
2019.
And I hope na makita ka pa namin more often dito ha, sa Anjali Badoy. Thank you so much. So now, our Miss Social Media Queen goes to contestant number contestant number 9, our Miss Social Media Queen. Contestant number 9! Mamaya, mamaos kayo, promise. Good job. Alright, for the next award.
Congratulations, contestant number 1. And
Nine.
for number 9, yes. So far, wow, ang daming fans.
Yes.
Dinala mo ba yung buong school mo dito? Ayun, oo daw.
Pili ko katatapos sa exam
Ay,
nyo.
oo, kasi
Okay, pa nagsiselebrate kayo.
holiday.
Yes, long weekend.
Yes.
Okay.
Congratulations.
So now, our next award is Social Grace.
Alam mo, dito talaga, naiiyak yung mga organizers in terms of the Social Graces because they have ranked this Miss Social Graces Award based on the candidate's ability to relate not only to her fellow candidates but to the people of Onjon here at Abong. At present po madalas itong taong ito sa lahat po ng activities. Usually siya yung nagtatawag, nagre-remind sa mga
Oh,
kapwa
may idea na
niya.
kayo kung sino yung girls. Ituro niyo na lang kaya.
Turo niya!
Contestant number! Yes! Contestant number 3! Congratulations, Social Grace! Dapat guys kasi laging ganun. Present
Oo.
dito. Yes, sabi natin eh.
Sa kanya, kinabahan ang organizers.
Correct pa ka kasi siya
Kasi
na
akala
papalit.
nila siya na yung organizer.
Pwede naman, di ba?
Yes.
Kaya nga, we encourage siya everyone pag may mga
Ganun siya
ganito.
ka-caring. Yes. Tinan mo, I have read one message na doon about candidate number 3, no? Sabi niya,
Ano?
magsa-start na yung rehearsals. Nasaan na kayo? Tapos may nag-reply na candidate, umuulan po. Nasaan ka? Susunduin kita. May dala akong payong. Magdala kayo ng towel, ng bimpo. Huwag kayong magpapabasa.
Na all.
Di ba? Saan kayo?
Thank you so much. Sana ikaw na ang next na mag-handle ng Miss Eva Day next year, ha? Alright, thank you so much.
Ayan, okay.
And now, it's about time for us, of course, na panoorin naman. So thank you so much, ladies, ha? Kasi
So that
manonood
concludes
muna kami.
the awards for minor awards as well as our sponsor awards. Congratulations again, ladies.
Palakpan naman natin ang mga lovely ladies natin. And syempre, ang mga special awards na nakuha po nila.